Welcome back to Bear Cave Watch Reviews. I'm your host, Papa Bear, and today we'll be taking a look at the Pagani Design PD-1644. This is an amazing homage watch that I have always loved, but was just never willing to drop that amount of money on. That being said, this homage really scratched the itch for that Daytona, so I'm looking forward to reviewing it. I do want to be clear, this watch was not sent to me by Pagani Design. I purchased this with my own money, like I do with all my watches. And I always want to say that because I want it to be known that as a smaller YouTube channel, it's important to know that we aren't all sponsored. So you can expect a completely unbiased review of it. Now, as always, I'll give you my pros and cons, overall thoughts about the watch, and let you know at the end if it gets the Bear Cave seal of approval. Now, before we start, I used to do this in my videos, and I know some reviewers do it, some don't, but I do want to do a wrist check. So today I'm wearing this Skami, or Skami, I don't know, Casio homage that was sent to me by a fellow watch enthusiast named Alan. So thank you, Alan. This is a really cool piece. I had never ever thought about getting a Casio, but this one's really great. All right, so let's talk a little bit about the watch and we'll get started with that. As you can see, it is a Daytona Homage with the ceramic bezel. I'm going to put it over here so we can look at the specs. And before we start on it, it did come in a new Pagani Design box, which was nice. It's a little bit different, holographic, still has the foam. It came with everything in it, but it was just nice to see a different box. I wish that other smaller Chinese factories would pay attention. So anyhow, let me start by saying I just got the watch about a month ago. So I have worn it as much as I could during that month. I come home sometimes and I'll just switch out my watches just because I get in the mood. So the reason I got this one in particular is you may have seen my Benyar chronograph video, and it's the same thing, but it's definitely not the same quality. My son decided that he wanted it, and so now I have this one. So now when I opened the box, I was, like I said, new packaging, so that was cool. I was really impressed because it just had a really good look to it. Let me go ahead and, since it's so popular to wipe your watches down in the middle of a video. All right, so it is stainless steel, screw down pusher and crown, so that's important. Sapphire crystal, nice bracelet, proper milled clasp, solid end links, and it does have the Pagani Design information on the back. So the watch comes with a Japanese VK63 quartz movement. So pretty much whatever movement is being used in chronographs that are inexpensive, that's what's in here. However, for all the other things that you get at the price point, it's a really good deal. It feels great. It looks great. It's got enough heft on it. I think the dial is very clean. I'm going to swap it out on my wrist here so we can take a look at it. Okay, so here it is on my wrist. I have a 7-inch wrist. Wears very well. I actually have it a little loose right now because I'm going to do a strap change and show it to you on a rubber strap as well. All right, so let's talk about the things that I like about this watch. The dimensions, very nice. 40 millimeter. This should fit pretty well on anybody. It came with enough extra links. And like I said, I'm wearing it a little loose right now, but the size, really nice. The movement, good movement at this price point. I think the dial is easy to read. It's very clean. And the bracelet is nice and robust. Has a nice taper. It's got a nice polish to it. So overall, that's really nice. Things that I don't like about the watch, and this is not so much about the watch, but you know, it doesn't have the on-the-fly adjustment. If it did, I think it would really be a knockout. Even at this price point, I think that they could have put that in there. And so that's just two things that I would say I don't like about the watch. Now, overall, I'm really happy with the watch. I think it's impressive. It's going to be part of my regular rotation for a while. I think Pagani really nailed the homage, and I love the look and feel of it. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to swap out the bracelet and show it to you in a different way. Okay, so I just discovered something else that I don't like about this watch. Uh, well, this is a two-part. It does come with screw-in links, which is great. However, it is really difficult to get into the spring bars, so I'm not going to do that today. But I will do an update on it and show it off with the different strap. All right, so as we finish out this video, let's just let me get some things out. Number one, like all Pagani design watches that I have, it comes with a lot of great features that you don't get from bigger brands like Seiko, Citizen, Casio. So like when I tell you the bracelet is solid, it's a good solid bracelet, way better than what comes on a Seiko and Orient and a lot of the Citizens that I've tried. It's really robust and solid end links, which you don't get with the other companies. Sapphire crystal, which you have to pay a lot more with Seiko for that. And again, you're using the same movement, so that's something that you got to consider. I'm still amazed how much quality and the features that they can get out of these watches now, and the bigger companies aren't doing it. Would it get the seal of approval? Yes, yes, it does get the Bear Cave seal of approval. It's a great looking watch, budget friendly watch, which you guys know that I'm all about. And it's just a overall good quality, for less than $100 or right around $100. And there will be links in the description to get it. It's a really great watch. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I would love for you to do that. If you are not following me on all the other social media platforms, what are you waiting for? I'm going to put a link in the name for that one too. It's at Bear Cave Reviews, so it shouldn't be difficult. Um, I'm going to continue to do content for you. I have several different ideas that I'm going to come up with, and I will have a challenge with a giveaway coming up soon to help us boost the channel. So, as always, this is Papa Bear. We'll see you next time.